Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another really quick video. So I'm here with a Huawei Watch GT2 Pro, and in this video I'll be showing you how to perform a factory reset on this watch. So this is very useful if you're selling the watch on to somebody else, or maybe giving it away to a friend or a family member. I highly recommend performing a factory reset just so that it wipes the watch clean and it removes all your personal information. So yeah, after performing the factory reset, it's just going to be like the first day you took the watch out of the box when you got it. Okay, so to perform the factory reset, just press this button here and go into the settings and scroll down to system. Scroll down again until you see reset. Select it and it will say resetting will erase all your data. Reset. Do you want to go ahead and proceed? Select the little tick and it's going to do the factory reset. And it just takes a few seconds, guys. And it's done. So from here, you can just turn off the watch and put it back in its box, or you can give it to your friend or your family member. Anyway, that's it for the video. If it helped you out, you already know what to do. Give the video a thumbs up. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm out. Deuces.